वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. म्हणटा तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली सावध आनी भलायकेन. एंड नाव इट्स अ सीजन ऑफ दे से carrot also, but it is locally reddish carrots. uh, it's not like normal one, they are long also. So I'm going to make carrot cake without sugar, but yes, date is also like always sweeter side. So what we need is 1.5 cup. Now this is measurements cups are easily available. I will share the link also. So 1.5 cup of grated carrot, 1.5 cup of dates paste, 1.5 cup of all purpose flour or normal flour, plain flour, or wheat flour also you can use. And then we need half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I will be adding little bit of nutmeg powder also. I will just grate it. Then for the wet ingredients, we need a half cup of yogurt, that is dahi, curd, and 1/4 cup of oil, normal oil, vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So these are ingredients what you need for a carrot cake. Okay, but you have to always separate the wet and the dry. Separately you can do, but my ways I want to do quicker way, so I will be mixing all together and then mix it. But yes, I will be making self-rising flour with this too first, adding that, and a salt, 1 teaspoon of salt also will go. So the first procedure is grate this fine. Then these are soft one, but sometimes you get hard one, so you have to soak this in hot water for 15 minutes, then grind it with milk or without milk, that is up to you. So I'll be adding half cup of milk and grind it to a fine paste. So here I have soaked this in hot water. So 1.5 cup you need dates. So I'll be doing this in my Wonder Chef. You can do on a grater, whatever. I'll take now 1.5 cup of flour. Take a baking powder. One teaspoon. And baking soda, half. Then you can add little vinegar or lime juice later. Then we add our cinnamon powder also for this. So we add 1 teaspoon. Add salt because this is without butter. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Then we will grate our nutmeg. Small piece. And we will mix this and keep this aside. So this is our dry ingredients. And this is our date paste. So we'll measure and we'll put 1.5 cup. So 500 grams of date makes 1.5 cup of date paste. Then we'll measure our grated carrots. Half. So everything is 1.5. Like flour, dates, measurement. Mix this now. Now we can add the liquid, which is like the dates which I had made paste. I will add in this, like half cup of that. So it is like wet ingredients. Now to this we will add our curd. That is like half cup we'll add. That is 200 grams of curd. Half cup or 1/4 cup, that's up to you. In grams, and it is 200 grams. And we mix this also nicely. And our the other ingredients wet is remain now oil, which is 1/4 cup vegetable oil. Vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon, and mix this all nicely. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to this only. Preheat your oven 180 degree for 20 minutes before putting this cake. Then grease your baking tray with oil or butter, it's up to you. And we have to bake this cake for 40 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Now we'll mix this wet into our this slowly, however you want, but in one direction. And see, there is no lumps. And if you need to add some milk, hot milk or hot water, it's up to you. And if anybody don't want to use dates, then it is 1.5 cup of white sugar or brown sugar. And here it is. This is my baking paper. I've greased some oil. Now let's put in this. Tap this. So any bubbles is there, then it will go. So it's preheat. Hot. And our cake goes. Let it go. So it will go for 40 minutes. Yeah. And 180 degrees. See you later. So now here is my carrot cake is ready. Now if you want to have it directly, you can have it directly without any decoration, or you can add some buttercream or cream frosting or sugar butter, whatever you want to decorate it. So I am going to use sugar and butter mix. So I apply this. This is again I am saying optional. So I apply like this thin, then thick, then keep it little bit in freeze. Very thin, just to give our beauty. And here it is, our carrot cake is ready. You can decorate in whichever way you want. Thank you so much. Dev bare karu. Yummy and delicious carrot cake. Thank you.